What is Nathan's famous at Coney Island? Imagine biting into a hot dog that has been part of New York City's history for over 100 years. That's what Nathan's Famous offers right on the Coney Island boardwalk. Founded in 1916 by Nathan Handwerker, a Polish immigrant, and his wife Ida, it started as a small stand selling all-beef hot dogs. The secret was a special spice recipe created by Ida's grandmother, which gave their hot dogs a unique flavor. Nathan's quickly became popular because they sold hot dogs at half the price of nearby competitors like Feltman's German Gardens. They also built trust by showing customers their hygiene standards, with men in surgeon smocks eating there to prove safety. Over time, Nathan's grew into a New York City icon, known for its classic hot dogs and crispy crinkle-cut fries. Today, the original Nathan's stand still operates on the Coney Island boardwalk, right where it all began. Visitors can order hot dogs, fries, and other quick bites while enjoying the lively beach atmosphere. The restaurant is open year-round, and during the summer months, it gets especially busy with tourists and locals alike. Nathan's is also famous for its annual hot dog eating contest held every 4th of July. This event draws competitors from around the world who try to eat as many hot dogs as possible in 10 minutes. The contest has become a major part of the American holiday celebration and a fun spectacle for spectators. The brand has expanded beyond the original stand with locations across the northeastern United States and products sold nationwide in grocery stores. Still, the Coney Island site remains a must-visit for anyone wanting an authentic taste of New York City's culinary history. When you walk up to Nathan's, you're not just getting a hot dog. You're experiencing a piece of Brooklyn's vibrant culture and a tradition that has lasted for more than a century. So, when you're exploring Coney Island's amusements and neighborhood sites, stopping at Nathan's Famous is a perfect way to enjoy a true New York City classic. Whether you're craving a quick snack or want to witness the famous hot dog eating contest, Nathan's offers a delicious and historic experience that captures the spirit of Coney Island.